Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sam. Today I want to teach you guys how to post uh, on Hive blockchain and on WordPress at the same time. So you can actually publish your post on WordPress if you have a blog, and it will show immediately or after a few moments on Hive. That can be simply done. What that means is that you're having a copy of your article or a copy of your post on a blockchain. Right, so why is this important? So you don't get censored. Instead of posting on Facebook alone, instead of posting on your blog that you currently have no guarantee of, or maybe you just lose your backup one day, you can have it permanently stored on a blockchain. Another importance of having it on a blockchain is so that you can monetize your blog, right? So once you connect your blog to the blockchain, that's a rhyme. Your blog to the blockchain, you can actually make some passive income for yourself. So as you can see, people actually make posts and have about $156. So I haven't personally been using that's really bad. I haven't really been using blockchain based social media for a long time. I actually stopped. As you can see, I opened this. I started using blockchain social media since March 2017. That's about 3 years ago, right? But I had to stop for some reason. But now I'm back. I'm back to be using blockchain based social media. Now let's see what others are earning in blockchain based. Okay, this is I had to do introduce yourself. Post again and said, hey, it feels so good to be back to cryptocurrency community. Been away for too long. And then TJ for real said that it's been a while. Welcome back. These are guys that have been there for a long time too. Right, Stella Bell is very popular in cryptocurrency based social media, and she was like, hey, you're back. I'm like, yep. And we got talking, and anyways, for that little post I made, I got $0.86, which is almost $1. Now the question I have for you is, your post on Facebook, are they really yielding any money? And I'm sure the answer is no. Anyways, even if you're not doing it for the money, as you can see, this guy is making $47 per post, $44 per post, $42 per post. Even if you're not doing it for the money, do it because you believe in cryptocurrency. Do it because you believe in blockchain technology. Right. So now a quick one. How do you link your blog post to Hive blockchain? Right. So you can have your post posted directly to the Hive blockchain. And the first thing you need to do is go to WordPress plugin and search for Steem. Okay, that's it right there. Steem. And this is it. Once it gets, you see an install button, so you click install. Once that is done, you click activate. Now once it's activated, what you're going to see right there is let's see, where can I get that? Now you see settings. Now just quickly click the settings button, right? Click the settings button, and then you go to your Steem. Okay, this is the settings button right here. Now I've already done all that, right? I've done that before. But go to your Steem account, or either Steem or your Hive account, rather your Hive account, and then go to your wallet, and then scroll down. Once you get to your wallet, you click wallet, and then you click keys and permissions, and then you scroll down and get your posting key. I don't want to show you guys my posting key. So your posting key is right there. Let me see. Okay, yeah, that's it. Now your posting key is around here. So you copy that posting key, and then you will see where they will ask you to add your posting key. So you just add your posting key, add your Hive username, or your Steemit username. If you had a Steemit account, you automatically have a Hive account, right? So let's see, your reward, you can choose to get 100% of Hive power or 100% of Hive power and Hive, sorry, 50-50. So once you get 100% of Hive power, that means all your rewards goes straight into having more Hive power. Now the more Hive power you have, the more income you can generate when you like people's post or when you like your post. Alright, but I choose to go for 50-50 because it's good to diversify. Now these are default default tags. So once you make a post from your blog, it automatically take these 4 tags plus any other tags you want to add, and those tags will show somewhere around here. Let's see, they'll show around here once you make a post. So back to the stuff. So delay post. Your post will be published to Hive X minutes after being published on your blog. A value of 0 posts your articles to Hive as soon as published. Well, that's very easy to understand. So this means that once it's posted on my on this blog, it automatically posts on what's called on Hive. What else? Always add a default tag. Okay, sell vote. Obviously, I want to sell vote my posts. Add the footer and some other thing that I think you need to. You just leave all these guys so it doesn't ignore some of your posts. Display Hive features, active for posts, active for front end. So just leave this as they are. I think you have to click this. Alright, so if you're making a post of about 300 words or more, you know, it's good. Once you get to this point, I think the default is 0. What that means is that the entire article you're posting you have the exact copy on the Hive blockchain, and you don't want that to happen because you need traffic to your website, to your blog. So it's always advisable to make it shorter. So if you have 300 words or 100 or maybe 1,000 words, just what this means is that you have just 50 of those words published, or you could do 100 of those words published, and then there will be a link to your website. So once the first 100 words are published, and those guys they need to get the full gist, you have to click the link right under those 100 words and then come back to your blog. So you have to get traffic.
It's 8 o'clock.
Oh, that's my PC. All right, then you click save changes and voila, you're done. So immediately you make a post on your blog, it will automatically be published on a blockchain, right? There's something else I think I needed to talk about. Let's see, where is it? Where is it? I can't find it, but I think that's basically everything you need to know to get started. All right, so please make sure you subscribe to the channel if you find this very educative, and also like this video so others can see it. All right, so see you guys on the other side.